How to disable Blackmagic camera grid lines. So if you want to disable or turn off grid line on the Blackmagic camera app on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this upfront informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off or disable grid lines on Blackmagic camera, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera on your phone. Now, once you open the Blackmagic camera, you're going to see the grid lines. Click on this aspect ratio button. Then, here, locate the grid lines, this, and then click on it. Now, once you click on that, you see another menu comes up. On the menu, to turn off or disable the grid lines on the camera, just come here and turn this off. Then you should see the grid line disappear. Or better still, first disable this. While the grid line is turned on, you can just come here, choose other grid lines you want to use. But to permanently disable or turn off the grid lines, just turn this off. And then you're good to go. Then the grid lines will be disabled on the Blackmagic camera. You see that? So that is basically how to turn off or disable grid lines on Blackmagic camera. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.